Hello, welcome to first devlog of my game Snake. This is a VR versus PC local asymmetric multiplayer snake versus robot looking dude game I've been working on for the past probably about a week so far. We haven't got a working map, or well, we have a map. We haven't got the game map, obviously, it's been a week. But I've built this little test room to show off all of the different things that we have built. Now, this project I'm using Hurricane and Hexabody. I've also got these weird effects around because I want to make the game look nice without putting any work in, so I spent $30 on lights. That was worth it. They look kind of cool. Anyway, I'm going to hop in, I'm going to grab some footage, and I'm going to talk about everything in the game. Right, it's time for my favourite part of making videos, voiceovers. So here we go. Once you load in, you will see your hands and your full body, which uses VROK, and this menu, which you can use to calibrate your height to make sure you're not crouching on the floor constantly. The body is as good as I can get it for now. The only issue is the wrists, they kind of like twist. I'll fix that with a model update probably. Anyway, you'll see this ball on the floor. That's to show you can grab things, I guess. You can throw it around, it's quite a heavy ball. It's got a bit of weight to it. Yeah, it just shows you that. Anyway, here are the ladders. This is very temporary. The colliders are very scuffed, but you can grab them and you can climb by pulling yourself up. That's how climbing works. Once you reach the top of this ladder in the demo room, you will see. I should probably talk about this, shouldn't I? This is the third-person action camera. This is mostly for me to get cool shots for trailers, but I'll leave it in there for content creators. Anyway, just press the secondary button on your controller in VR. Okay. Anyway, this is the flashlight. I keep saying anyway. This is the flashlight. It shines a light. What you just saw was the shoulder holster pocket thing. You can put stuff on your shoulder. This is a bit more to show off the physics player. You can like use your hands to pull up on things even if you're not grabbing them because it's physics. I don't know what that sound was. You didn't hear it. Anyway, there's also these monkey bars which you can climb on. As I said, the colliders are really broken. That's kind of what I was showing off here. We were going through it. That happened in real time. This is a gun. It doesn't shoot yet because I'm lazy and can't bother to make it work, but you can hold it. We also have this room with a crowbar and a massive pole. You can grab the crowbar anywhere. That's kind of the cool thing about the crowbar. I lied. The cool thing about the crowbar is I was kind of hoping it would happen at the right time. The cool thing about the crowbar is here we go. You can slide on things with it. I don't know how that's going to fit into the game, but it shows physics, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing here. As I was saying, it's all physics. Physics, all physics. You can use the crowbar to grab onto things, latch onto things. I can't really show that off much because I haven't built much of the level. Anyway, it is me trying to climb up, but I was sat down during this, so I couldn't really do much, and I just throw myself off the side. Finally, as we throw the crowbar over here and grab our flashlight, you will see this very long red corridor, which, haha, funny thing, you have to play the demo to see that yourself. That one's the important part of the game, I guess. Snakes. There we go. You can press any button on your keyboard or controller and that will load you in as a snake player. This happens on the PC screen, on the VR screen. And you can play as snakes. This is definitely my first take and not my fifth. So a bit about where the game is going. Two players will be able to connect to your PC, whoever's playing on VR, through Parsec, or in the future if we get it on their Steam Remote Play. And that will make it so you can control the snake players, I guess. There might be latency, but you can deal with that, because I'm not making multiplayer. Online multiplayer sucks, okay? Deal with it. So I just had a bit of a brainwave after the whole multiplayer. Okay, no multiplayer, no quest, because how do you expect me to connect you through local multiplayer? It just doesn't work. If I work it out, then I'll do it, but I don't think it's possible, so don't ask for quest ports. I mean, I guess I could port it to quest, but you'd be playing alone with no PC players. Right, tangent over. How did this game come to be? I like snakes, so I thought, let's make them murderers. I guess that's it. That and a really cool game called. It turns out if I click off of the the voiceover recording screen and it stops recording. Anyway, Escape from Andrelia, I'll have a link to that in the description. It's really fun. Go play it, go join their Discord. Cool community. Finally, join my Discord. I've got a Discord for this game. You can join it. I'm always looking for people to help me test the new features. So if you want to get cool Discord roles, then join there. Speaking of cool Discord roles, I also started Patreon. I don't know why. I just like the fact that I could possibly have extra funds to help the development with this game, so I made it possible for you to give me your money in exchange for Discord roles, and if you support the Patreon, then for as long as the game's on itch.io, you'll have the game for free. Cool. Before I end off here, I know I said if you support on Patreon you get the game for free, but for now it's completely free while we're testing. The alpha is free. That's what's in the description on the itch page. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye. I hate voiceovers. I was going like a sing-songy voice. I don't even know what that was.